you, Lord.
Kuha na lang, ganang lahi na lang. Ano ito? Surprise! I have a surprise for you, look. Okay, kuha naman ka, you're a school girl naman. Surprise! Wow! Yes! And then here, wait, sa... Ato rin. Oh.
Kanina ba?
Wala lang ka na masudang yung... Oh, kana, masudang yung kuhan. Okay rin na. Oh, di nga.
Dili, kita sa tawag sa iya kayo ng ayaw yung 5 minutes na.
Alagi, open na ako, open na. Ikakuha niya. Yeah, binan ito sa taas kay na dito ang katong iyahang mga requirements nasa lounge sa kuan. Tanawa dito katong iyahang box ba. O katong
Ay, bali na lang iyang milk dili.
dili dili ang mga box di alam ako lay da niya kanang iyahang kuan sa bili na ni teacher. Oh, dali. Oh, dali ka man. Oh, that is a small bag. Oh. Sit down, diri. Sit down. Kaya butang ka to. Guys, thank you so much. Sis lahi ara. Yed. Ay. This is very good. Yes. Yeah. Oh, okay. Ay, you have princess shoes, you have princess. Kung ano naman ka, big girl naman ka, dili na ka mag-like this na ka. Are you excited to go to school? Yes. Uy, sakto ra. Sakto ra. Sakto ra. Wait, ako sa mga birog niya. Are you happy? Okay, I'm happy too. Okay. Ay, ano pa? Hello. Let's start. Kapila ng 1 to 4. Okay. Alright. Mommy's got it. Oh.
Dalon ko ni kayo mo balon ano?
Ha?
Kani ba? Dalon may nang?
Asuman.
Kani. Kani ba?
O, kana.
Wow! Yeah, that's all for you.
Masa ba dalo na ni may mong book ni Ate Riana? Ayaw ang book ni Ate. You wanna bring that? That's not yours, man. So if you wanna bring yours. Hindi ka na. Nakakad ka tong imuha oy sa man ka ba?
Sakit ko ba ibote?
Depende sa kuan. Uy, sakto ra gyud niya. Oh, break. Wait sa. Oh, you want bring that book oh. Dali. This is your Yara, ay gina na pa yung story book ka. Oh, asa man di mo hang crayons? Where's your crayons?
This is my chair.
Lagi, that's clay. Asa yung crayons, Ibina?
Yeah. That's right.
Oh,
And that's right. Hey, is that Papa?
yes, this is your Okay. Asa iyang kuan? Oh, we bring na ang clay sa school.
Have mountains for my friends.
Yes. Kani, kala sa idaan niyo. Oh,
Thank you.
welcome.
Aba,
Oh, sige.
you pick me up, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna pick you up, okay? So this one, you'll bring this. Which one you bring? Ah, that one?
Yeah.
Oh, sige, sige. Oh, wait ha.
And then that.
Yes, yes. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring it. Wait sa ha. Maginhawas ako ha. Let mommy breathe sa, okay? Mommy will breathe sa. Ah. One is your other kuan.
No, that big backpack.
Big backpack. This is your school supplies. I'm gonna bring to school.
And that big bag.
Yes, and we're gonna give Ate Nyara kuan. This one. Ha? Ari, di, betulin ako sa bag diri. Kaya I'll bring the big backpack man with me, okay?
Okay, yun na balon.
Ako sa gidan.
Ah.
Oh, bring this na nimo. Dug Ate Nyara man. Sige, naman ka diha di ay. Oh, Nyara baby.
No,
Ah. Sige. Wait, ha. Kani ka ganyana ni na kuan.
I gotta bring it.
Oh, you get bring. Oh, sige. Ikaw na din. Hindi na ka lang galirado na. Oh,
I gotta bring it, okay?
pag nasugod natin.
Okay? Okay? Okay.
I'm loose.
Uy!
I'm
Mag-isa ng tubig.
loose. I'm loose.
New shoes ka, uses girl.
Okay,
Picture.
yeah.
Oh,
Ay,
okay.
ba't ang siya new?
Oh, new shoes and kuan. Socks.
Nandun ta kain kay ko sa
It's happy. It's happy.
You're so happy. Aww.
It's happy.
Heavy.
Ah, hindi. I think you're so happy.
Lahat na ko yung 1,000, no?
Ah. Wala na.
Dada sa limbang, ikina sa limbang. Peri daw.
Me against school.
Go.
Mom against school.
Go out na. Go, go. Show. Yeah.
Mom against school.
Thank you so much. Oh, go. Go. Be. Oy, dili. Nam ko yawi.
Ah, bilang ko unsa yawi. Ako ibalik yung sa school.
Let's go lang. No. Uy, bilit mo pa.
So, yes na?
Yeah. Sige, ka na. Okay, go. Oh. Go where? Oh, yan na. First day of
Wala,
school.
what is this? Oh, hala.
B.
Yan na.
Yes. Hi. Let's go. Sakay na diri.
Hello na go. Wow.
Makol ni siya, ma'am. Init
Oh.
ba?
Ako lang na siyang kanon. Here. Are. Ay, sakit ito gamay. Alright.
Ano na? Okay. Ada on na niyo, ma'am?
Oh. Ato ka pag-grab na.
Ah, bakla.
Ano ba? Ito maulog din. Kami na kayo na eh.
Dako di kay ko.
Dako ikaw.
Yan na. Are you excited to school? Excited? What's your feeling today?
Happy.
Happy. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Happy is your feeling.
I'm small feeling.
You have small feelings, okay? What will you do if you're having big feelings in school? What will you do?
Big feeling.
If you have big feelings in school, what will you do? You will breathe like this. Okay? Gonna breathe and understand your classmates, okay?
I do shout.
Yes, understand.
Exercise.
Yes, exercise.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, exercise.
I
Breathing.
do shout.
Huh?
No shouting.
No shouting. Good job. What else? Aside from no shouting, smile. How do you smile? Show the smile. Okay. Then you say, hi classmate, my name is
Yana.
Yana. How old are you? 2 years old. What's your favorite color?
Orange.
Orange.
Ang bayla,
Oh, very good. Do you know the name of your mama? What's the name of your mama?
Mommy.
Mommy Kring Kring.
Mommy.
Hi, Chief!
Sakritisyo ba niyo? Nagsayro na. Agbay ko na siya na to. Agbay, sakos pa ka.
Tati Bina, ito pakita sa Tati Bina. Bukuyog sa Tati. Tati Bina. Kaya first day sa among gwapa nga si Aniana. Yes, super pretty.
You pick me up school.
Oh yes, I'm gonna pick you up, of course. I'm gonna pick you up at school, okay? Then some other days, Ate Bina will pick you up, okay? Okay. So but today,
I go home.
then you go home, and then you kuan ha, you remember what's happening in school so that you can tell me after. Yeah. So
I don't shout.
yes, yeah.
I talk.
Oh, you don't shout.
I talk.
Yes, you talk. You talk.
I talk teacher.
Yes, okay. And listen to the teacher, okay?
Yeah.
What will you do if your classmates are standing? What will you do?
Stand. I stand.
Do not stand with them. When the teacher says sit down, you sit down. And if your classmates are standing, do not follow them, okay? Follow the teacher, okay? Okay. Oh, it's a shaking. Oh, shaking car.
Big bumpy.
Push. Nangita kag landong. Magkuanta. Kuan na Bina. Kay dungan matagsakay. Allo, lit na gyud me. Apit alas 10. Walay kuan dira. Ilang, okay rasad kung malate kay para ang classmate nananadaan ba, iksod niya. Oh, among gwapa. Giyo, una dito Bina. Oh, kuha na siya. Madam, Adam. Kuha na siya diyan, Bina. Masud ra? Uy, amo ang gamay estudyante with sa tapad sa kaha. Sabi na. Okay. How are you? You're good. Okay ra ka diha? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Oh. Uy, na-dirty siya?
Ang slipper.
Ay, wala uy. Gamay ra. Ay, ate. Ibig tita Bina.
Ako bigyan sa inyo, babe. Come doon.
Oh. Kanan niya ana ha.
Naunsa naman yung bag?
Ay ready na video na gunit lang.
First day of school. First day of school.
Wala video.
First day. Wait. Chiching. Naunsa na ng clothes, oy?
Sige, go, Bina.
Come here. Come here.
Tarungan ng kuwan. Dagan doon na.
Come here.
No running.
Excited ka first day of school?
Sige. You're excited. Dito Bina.
Go. Wala pa man dagway, sulod na?
Gi. Louder. Diri. Sir. Hi. 10 a.m. na ni? Hi, this is your classmate. Oh, pila sila ka boxer? Ay, 9. Okay. Kaniyang mga kuan. Ay, isud ra ha. Oh, malakaw na ka. Ay. Oh, makoy na ka diri. Ay. Ay. Kanay. Thank you. Hi! Hi! What happened? Oh? Hug na naman ka. What happened? What happened? What happened to your donut? Huh? Who got your donut? Him? He got your donut? Did you share? Oh, did you not share? Damn, okay. Of course, nanay. Nana siya donut. Girl Scout ang mama, sir. Go. Hi, ma. Oh, go. Yes, grade 3. Your ate is in grade 3. Sige, knock the door. Let's open. Let's open. Say hello to your ate. Hi! Are you done eating? Sir, bisita sa... Ako nag-iingnan dito si Ma'am Ai. Iya pa daw i-final mo. Aray man daw siya sa mga teacher later. Oh, school na, school. Oh, bless sa teacher Shine, be. Teacher, bless. Okay. Nursery 1. Okay. Sige. Oh. Did you like Ate Onyara's classroom? Okay. Sige. Peace sign. Ay, uli na ang amuang school girl. Kapuya. Uy. Okay, so, tell us about your first day of class. How was it? Good. You have so many friends. Okay. And then, what did you learn? What did you learn, man? Did you learn something new? Yeah.
I am jumping.
What about, man, did you learn? Did you do ABC? Yeah.
I'm playing.
You play. How many?
Yes.
You have you pray in the class as well.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
You went to Ate Yara's class. That's good, no? And then tomorrow,
This is my uniform.
and this is your uniform. Okay. So this is your uniform. Sige, what will you share pa man di ay? Something else? Ang anak kay kinagwapahan ang mamang taon sus Ginoo ko. Alas 6 pa kong gamata kuya.